Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna be testing out cars racer rama, like a testing video on it on aethersx2. So yeah, here's the game and let's begin it. Just for this video, I'm actually gonna do a clean boot. Oh, and also, I actually saved the state, so just wait for the game to most boot up, and I'm gonna boot up one of my save states. Oh, and I also actually added this little Sony like little fast boot. I disabled that. And also, I want to keep note here this game won't be perfect. It doesn't run smooth at 60 FPS. There are times when this game will slow down or the frames are quite bad, much like the cars video I did on aethersx2. Just please keep in mind of that. But anyways, the game is now gonna start, so enjoy. I actually had a save state here somewhere, so let's just load it up. For this video, I'm gonna do the arcade mode and also do academy challenge.
Check Hicks. Enough said.
Oh, and also, by the way, I actually had to configure this game to make it like run a little bit more smoother. I actually used the game properties and started to do some configuration in the settings. So yeah. But anyways, here's the race and let's begin.
This might be one for the ages, folks. Stay tuned. Oh, and lightning, he's gonna go down. For good this time. Amateur. Hey!
Actually, I think I'm gonna actually have to change this track because I don't want this game lagging too much. So I'm just gonna change the track and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back now. I actually changed this to Spirit 1, well, as you can see right there. I also decided to change my car as well. Now remember, like I said, this isn't gonna be perfect performance. So sometimes I'll have to press R1 specifically just to make the performance much better. So just please keep in mind of that. But anyways, here's the race.
Radiator Springs Speedway is one of the premier venues in all of racing. All that training's about to pay off. Every race is my kind of race. Not preferable. Win at all costs. Gotta work together and take lightning down. We are perfectly constructed. Victory is paramount. Pursue them. Computation corrupted. No! I can't get past! A disturbance. Sports fans, they are burning up this race One lap is complete. Questionable route taken. Lightning has no chance against us. They are battling out there today, fans. Alignment shaken. Satisfaction assured by the result.
Anyways, guys, there you have it. That is the full gameplay of Cars Racer Rama, a test video of me playing this game on aethersx2, much like I did with the other Cars game. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.